My clients are both professionals and they have 2 kids, 2 boys actually that are tweens, so they're super busy. The interior style that my clients have is, it's evolved over the years from something a little more traditional, and now as our kids are getting older, into a bit more of a modern look. On one hand, they love just being home with their family, and on the other hand, they love to clear the kids out and bring their friends in and have huge cocktail parties. And this home we tried to create for them can do both. The entrance of this house was super boring when we first met, and I hate to say that for the clients, but even they agreed. We added the molding onto the wall, just applied shaker molding. We painted it out, just beefed up the trim everywhere. We painted out the staircase in this like glossy black and added a nice runner just to give it some impact. Wanted to keep it kind of like a blank slate so that they could change it over the years with different pieces of furniture, but so far they like what we did. My favorite area in the house is this kitchen and family room combination. The one part of the kitchen that I really wanted to concentrate on was opening up the corners and squaring off this space. We just did an 8x8 extension and we bumped that part of the kitchen out. What we gained was just functional, beautiful space. After we bumped out that corner and squared off that room, we ended up seeing kind of this blank canvas that we didn't expect. It was just an interesting ceiling detail that we had to figure out. And we did a contemporary take on just your beaded board or your slatted ceilings, just a nice fine applied molding, and then painted it out a little bit of a warmer color. A lot of people think that you don't need as big of a kitchen as you do, but this particular client, both of them cook. So we ended up customizing this kitchen a little bigger than I think the standard kitchen, and having a huge island to create a separate eating space that's really comfortable, but that they can also spread out food and really prep. And they both love storage. And as far as all the millwork we have in this house, the kitchen specifically just has a place for everything. I see value in bringing some character to an all-white kitchen because it can look boring pretty quick. So where do you bring the interest in? And for me, it was definitely the marble backsplash, some good classic profiles, and some beautiful hardware just to bring in some warmth. One of my favorite features in this kitchen, again, just to bring in some interest to an all-white kitchen, is of course a hood. I wanted to have the look of stainless steel, but shadowed. And so for me, I'm like, how do I interpret that? So we found this product that we applied to it, and I thought it worked out really well. In this home, we had the luxury of doing custom almost everything. So millwork, trim work, plus a lot of the furniture is custom as well. In the family room just off the kitchen, we juxtaposed some finishes, and it's kind of a cubist almost design, a sophisticated look, bringing in different mixed materials, but still they all kind of relate to each other, connected through the whole house. The dining room has a lot of really interesting detail. Even though it's subtle, we wanted to add a different fabric to the back of the chairs and something super durable in the front of the chairs. So we get the drama with the practical. We have a gorgeous silk wool rug that they let us put in there, and so far so good. It's been a few years now. The sitting area is actually one of the favorite spots of my clients and their kids. The furniture is super cozy and comfortable. Even though the furniture itself has really simple lines to it and can look a little formal if you dress it up, it really is cozy. The office was an interesting project because they needed a place for both of them to work at home, but we managed to create a nice workspace for both. We wanted to beef it up with some deep colored millwork to give it sort of like your typical traditional den. We found a clever little fireplace that fit in between the seating stations so they can have the warmth. Just a comfy leather chair in the corner for reading and studying. Being that they're both professionals, they need that extra space away from their regular office space so that they can get things done here too. Even though this home comes across quite formal, we do have really practical spaces too. We have this multifunctional mudroom in the back of the home. It's even got nice heated floors, and again, there's a place for everything. To be honest, we had to shove a whole bunch of shoes into the closet, but there's room in the closet for them. So I think they're normal boys that just kind of come home and throw their shoes everywhere, but the point is there's a spot for everything. I think they're thrilled with the house. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I am certainly going to miss them. You become part of the family when you work with someone for so long and you get to know them so well. That was the challenge in all of this, is to create a home just for them specifically. And I feel like we really did that, and it paid off really well for them, and they're extremely happy.